Tesla Model Y key fobs can be easily paired using the car's touchscreen. Start by entering your vehicle, then navigate to Controls on the touchscreen display. Select Locks from the Controls menu, then select Add Key. The screen will prompt you to place the key fob near the NFC reader located on the center console between the front cup holders. Hold the fob in place for approximately 5 to 10 seconds until a confirmation message appears on the screen, indicating successful pairing. Note only one key can be programmed at a time. Multiple keys require sequential pairing. This touchscreen method requires the vehicle to be awake. Alternatively, you can pair your Model Y key fob through the Tesla mobile app, version 4.25 or later. Open the app and select your Model Y. Then go to Vehicle Controls, Locks, Manage Keys, Add Key. The app may use Bluetooth to search for the device or scan an NFC-enabled phone for digital keys. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for app-based pairing to sync with Tesla's servers. Note, the app method can be done remotely. If you encounter issues, try resetting the key fob by removing and reinserting the CR2032 battery.